फुटा? फुटा क्या? Alright, I know I need not give you any reasons that why Diwali is my favorite festival or perhaps our favorite festival, but since this is me Niharika and this is my channel Captain Nick, which you can subscribe if you're new here, so I think Diwali पे एक वीडियो तो बनता है बॉस, है ना? God knows when this girl will stop talking to that stupid camera. इतना काम है घर में, ये नहीं मम्मी का थोड़ा हाथ बटा दूं, थोड़ा साफ सफाई करवा दूं, दिवाली की थोड़े स्वीट्स बनवा दूं, जब देखो Happy Diwali starts. Happy Diwali to you too. So the first amazing thing about Diwali is the Saaf Safai project. Now we people hate this because it has the word project. And guess what? Who's going to be the group leader? Of course your mom. What, you want me to say more about it? And your mom is literally going to suck your blood, eat your brain and do every possible thing that you don't ask a why and just pick up the broom and do what exactly she says. And this group consists of you, your mom and your bai. Now honestly, I don't know how many guys help their moms, but we daughters, our lives are no more lives before Diwali, alright? So we kind of need some extra bonus points from God for being daughters to these kind of mothers who are just behind, I don't know why, but making us clean the house before Diwali. I literally don't understand that which devil comes and possesses them so that they become such evil that just feel my pain. Of course I will feel yours, but my pain is way too much. You have seen my mother how she is. You have, haven't you? हाँ, मैं तो हूँ ही नौकरानी इस घर में. I will only clean the house. मेरी तो अकेले की दिवाली है इस घर में और कोई मत साफ करना घर. अरे कंचन, थोड़ा अंदर से झाड़ू लगाओ भाई. वहाँ देखो कितनी धूल है. 4 दिन से बोल रही हूँ इस लड़की को पर्दे निकालने. She has not removed it yet. कब धोऊं, कब सुखाऊं? और अंदर जाओ. अरे इतनी पतली तो हो, और अंदर जाओ और टेबल के नीचे से लगाओ. हाँ, अंदर से झाड़ू लगा लो, अंदर से. पूरा धूल मुंह में जा रहा है मेरे. बदतमीज, ये नहीं मम्मी की थोड़ी हेल्प कर दूं. बेवकूफ नालायक. दरवाजे पे तोरण कौन लगाएगा? एक काम नहीं होता है तुमसे. 800 दूंगी एक काम के, उससे ज्यादा नहीं. वो तो मेरी कमर में दर्द है तो मैं खुद ही कर लेती, तुमको आने की जरूरत नहीं थी. बाप रे बाप, इतने झाले पूछो मत. पूरा घर साफ हो गया. अब बस ये सोफा कवर चेंज करा लेते हैं. दिवाली में नहीं कराएंगे तो क्या क्रिसमस में कराएंगे? Now the second amazing thing about Diwali is make sweet and eat sweet. Day and night, just do that. I mean, yeah, that's so much fun about Diwali. Please feel the sarcasm. And you know what? The most amazing or ridiculous thing about these kind of Diwali sweets are that nobody cares currently about how much sugar and cholesterol and other stuffs are present in that sweet, because Diwali साल में एक बार जो आती है भाई. The Dadaji who can perhaps even die just by smelling the jamuns being fried in the kitchen, even he doesn't resist from eating sweets. And the entire family is like, हाँ हाँ खा लीजिए, दिवाली तो है. I mean, come on, he can die. But no, why? Because it's Deepavali. मनाए सुहानी. या मैं सोच रही हूँ वो जो है थोड़ा लड्डू बना लूं रवा के, थोड़े बेसन के, थोड़े करंजे बना लूं, थोड़ी चकली बना लूं, थोड़े वो शक्कर पाड़े बना लूं और थोड़े नमकीन बना लूं और थोड़ा गुलाब जामुन और थोड़ी रबड़ी. बस नहीं, बस इस बार इतना ही बनाएंगे. थोड़ा सा दिवाली भर चल जाएगा. और बताओ. Now I am usually not a very big fan of eating sweets and mithais in person, but I hate it most during this time when I am given no option but to eat sweets and farsans, even in the breakfast, even during the evening snacks, or whenever I am hungry. Come on, I have to eat the same thing at my place. I have to eat the same exact thing when I visit your place. I have to eat the same boring mithais and karanjis and chaklis when I visit Sharma ji, Gupta ji, Acharya ji, Trivedi ji and all other G's. I mean, for God's sake, give me something different to eat. I mean, my stomach cries, you know, कि please कुछ और दो, चकली नहीं, karanji नहीं. Now the third amazing thing about Diwali is the Rangoli dilemma. Now the pro people, the pro ones at Rangoli, this point is not for you. So you can just skip the video. I mean, like the video and skip it. But for people like you and me, it feels pain here, right here. Because in our head, even we imagine that next Diwali mein even I'm gonna draw that big colorful circle in front of my door and place 16 diyas and take a picture and post it on my Snapchat and Instagram and Facebook and say that Rangoli made by me. But what do? The only thing that we can manage is to bring a stencil, put that colors and place one diya right in the center. Or the next level of our creativity dopeness is that somehow, like literally somehow, we'll manage to draw that diya, like the crooked diya, and then we write Happy Diwali in our worst handwriting. That's the advanced level. Still, we people are still okay. There are someone who buy this rangoli stickers and they stick in their house and in front of the house because that's a permanent rangoli. Bingo, you don't have to change it. You just have to wipe it with a wet cloth every day to make it new, flashing and dazzling. And this was real. It was not scripted. Now the fourth amazing thing about Diwali is wishing and greetings. You know what? This is the most appropriate festival for anyone to break the ice and start a conversation with any desired person, because all it takes is to say a happy Diwali, a happy new year to anybody that you want to talk to. And guys, like boys, they take the full advantage of this Diwali occasion and they wish every possible girl on their WhatsApp, sending all those Diwali forwards and images saying, hey dear, happy Diwali, and then they suddenly disappear on Bhai Dooj. Now the fifth and the last thing about Diwali, which is a little serious but very important, and that is the real meaning of Diwali. Guys, Diwali is a festival of lights and colors. No, I'm not giving any kind of lecture, just listen to me. I mean, please. Yeah, please. Where was I? Yeah, Diwali is festival of light and colors. But if you still believe in burning and bursting your money, hope you got the satire, you are a douche. You need help. Because you know what, doing those fulgeries and little light works and the small lightning crackers, they are fine provided you don't harm any animal and human being, of course. I guess I'm gonna end this point here because I may start lecturing you because that's in my hormones. I mean, my mom is a teacher, if you didn't know. Now you know. So that was it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, then you know what to do. You need to turn the black thumb blue. Zor se bolu. You need to turn the black thumb blue. I don't know why this accent and why this tone, but please turn the black thumb blue. Happy Diwali to you. It just rhymed. Turn the black thumb blue. Happy Diwali to you. I need to stop it, right? Yeah, so you can subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Also comment below that if you agree or you completely agree. And that's it. I'll see you next Thursday. Tada, bye bye. Happy Diwali. Auntie ji aapko bhi, uncle ji aapko bhi happy Diwali, safe Diwali, and eco-friendly Diwali. And yeah, okay, bye. Diwali. Happy, happiest Diwali. Last time, bye.